channel. In today's video I'm going to cover a very important topic about the makeup of hooded eyes. Eyes are of many types and among them I have hooded eyes. Hooded eyes are the eyes which have some extra flesh on the crease area. So it'll appear like swelling on your eyes. So these are the type of eyes, and in this type of eyes eyebrows play a very important role. So I'm going to cover eyebrows with the deep brown pencil. Also you can take the black pencil or light brown pencil, but here I am going to cover it with the deep brown and make it dark to darker because we cannot leave this part in the hooded eyes makeup. Now keep one more thing, that don't make your eyebrows too much thin by the threading. And here I am taking henna shade. Always choose light color over the dark colors for the eyeshadows. And here I am taking henna color. Henna color is one of nudes color in the eyeshadow palettes. So I am going to cover this area with it. Hooded eyes required extra makeup skills because if you don't pay attention on it, your eyes will look very small and ugly. So here always choose light colors over the dark colors and nude shades to cover up your eyes. Now one more thing is there. If you want to skip eyeliner, then easily you can skip this part because hooded eyes does not require eyeliner. You can choose different colors of eye pencils. These are made for you. But here I applied eyeliner to show you. If you want to apply eyeliner, make very thin line on the eyelid area. And here I am covering my eyes with the kajal pencil. Kajal pencil color is black and it is of Maybelline New York. Here I am applying mascara. Apply mascara on the upside and the downside of your eyes. Make sure that you applying it properly. Now I'm making eye pencil. I'm covering a very thin line of brown eye pencil on my eyes to give the matte look on the eye area, because eyeliner is giving a shiny look and I don't want that shiny look. So I am applying a very thin line on the upside of eyeliner. Now I am taking moonlight eyeshadow. It is very light color and it has some shine too. So I am taking flat brush to cover the whole makeup which I did on my eye, and it gives a little bit shining and perfect glow on it. So this is the correct way to cover up the hooded eye, and it requires some extra makeup skills. So here I show you today. And now please, if you like my video, please do subscribe, share it with your friends, and please don't forget to press the bell icon and give your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.